Hello to our wonderful viewers. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Nice to see you on this episode of MF Home TV. I am Spain and I'm happy to be your host for today's video. Isn't it nice to see a new face once in a while? Today, let's talk about the kitchen. I'm dedicating this video to all of you who have small kitchens out there. I personally love to cook, but my kitchen is just crazy. I'm sure a lot of you can relate, but before I continue, please take the time to subscribe and click that notification bell down below. So there are a million ways you can fix up your kitchen, but I'm gonna keep it sweet and simple for you. Yung tipong di ka mapapagod, di ka pagpapawisan, ganun.
Sa pagsikat at pagtupok ng araw, mundo man ay kumigil sa pagkanaw. Sa Mandawi Foam lang, Mandawi Foam, Mandawi Foam lang, Mandawi Foam.
My kitchen cabinets at home are usually the most messy and it's really embarrassing, but I bet it happens to the best of us. Sometimes there's just too many things and too little cabinet. There's always that tendency for it to overflow because of piled up ceramics, pots and pans, and what have you, right? So what I personally like to do is to add partitions to my cabinets. So you can DIY this, or you can even buy this in your local hardware or online. So I anticipate the size of the largest item I'm gonna put in each tier so I can adjust the partitions based on that. Now you have multiple platforms for a more organized cupboard, or see, if you didn't put these partitions, you would have a lot of this unused space. Oh, here's another good tip for you. Yung items na di mo masyadong ginagamit, like chinaware or special cookware, place them in the topmost part of the cabinet. Then the items that you use frequently, ilagay mo na sa pinakababa. Makes things easier to navigate. In addition to that, the next tip I have for you is to use organizing bins and baskets for your pantry or cabinets. Group your items by category, like in one basket you have your dry goods, and then in the other you have your condiments, and so on and so forth. That way it's really easy to grab what you need and go. This also works for your drawers. Are these tips easy enough so far? If you want to see the items we have in store for your kitchen, visit www.mandawifoam.ph to browse for your kitchen needs with zero hassle. Now, an important factor to a home cook's life is to have a spacious workstation, but that can be difficult if you have a small home, let alone a small kitchen countertop. So let's maximize that. Instead of placing cups and kitchenware on the countertop, mount them. Try mounting them under, inside, or on the side of your kitchen cabinet, or directly to your backsplash. You can do this by sticking adhesive hooks on your surface. Make sure to measure the spaces in between so they come out uniform. Now you can hang a lot of different stuff. See? You can also add multi-tiered shelving to your countertops. This minimizes the clutter on your countertop by allowing you to stack vertically. And I would also advise you to dedicate this area for your essentials. What do you use to cook every day? Oil, salt, pepper, and other spices. Next tip, well, I'm not exactly going to promote hoarding, but parang ganun na nga. So, okay, if you have microwavable containers like this one, store them. You mostly get these from takeout or when buying delicacies. Keep them, and from now on, you're gonna use them as organizers for your refrigerator. These are really useful because you can stack some fresh produce in them, especially the cut up vegetables, and you can stack them as well. More importantly, use them for your cold cuts and frozen goods. Instead of just throwing your frozen meat in the freezer in its plastic bag, which makes it hard to get kasi didikit yung plastic sa ice, repack your meat in these larger microwavable containers. Of course, if you want, you can also use refrigerator storage bins or glass Tupperwares, but you can save a lot of money when you use these instead. That, my friends, was my super easy guide to kitchen organization. I hope you learned a lot from today's episode. What else do you want to see from MF Home TV? Comment down below your suggestions. I'm Spain, and I'll see you next time.